functionally diverse team might consist of someone who's an expert in engineering, another person who's great at accounting, and someone else with a background in design. While many argue that such diversity is pivotal to creative problem solving, our research recently published in Management Science offers contrary evidence. My name is Adam Presslee from the School of Accounting and Finance at the University of Waterloo. Together with my co-authors Yasheng Chen from Xiamen University and Su Yang from Texas Tech University, we use both behavioral analysis and cutting-edge neuroimaging technology to explore a critical question. How does functional diversity impact team creativity? Our findings not only shed light on the outcomes of team creativity, but also reveal the underlying processes that drive these outcomes. For managers, understanding both the what and the how of team creativity is crucial to making more informed decisions when assembling teams for creative projects. Now, we find that functional diversity has countervailing effects on creativity. On the one hand, it boosts the uniqueness of ideas by encouraging divergent thinking within teams. This is the type of thinking that leads to novel, out-of-the-box solutions. On the other hand, functional diversity can decrease the usefulness of these ideas because it disrupts the ability for teams to converge on practical, implementable solutions. In other words, diverse teams may come up with more innovative ideas, but those ideas might not be feasible. To understand these effects more deeply, we used neuroimaging technology to track brain activity among team members. This powerful tool allowed us to peek inside the black box of the brain to understand why diversity has mixed effects on creativity. We focused our attention on two brain regions, one associated with divergent thinking, the process to generate unique ideas, and another associated with convergent thinking, the ability to refine those ideas into something useful. We find that functional diversity increased the synchronization in the brain region linked to divergent thinking, but decreased the synchronization in the region linked to convergent thinking. So what does this all mean for managers? In simple terms, functional diversity is not a one-size-fits-all solution to boosting creativity. Our behavioral and neuroscience data shows that teams with diverse knowledge and perspectives are better at coming up with innovative solutions, but lack the cohesion to make them actionable. When managers are assembling a team for a creative project, they should carefully consider both the advantages, in terms of idea uniqueness, and the challenges, in terms of idea usefulness, associated with functional diversity. One implication is that for companies to maximize their team's potential, they should think carefully about what kind of creative output they want when designing their teams. Diversity is great if the goal is innovative, out-of-the-box idea generation. But if the goal is to produce timely, actionable ideas, then a more focused, uniform team might be the better option.